happiness here in Snuppet land. The sun is always shining and nasty things are banned. You always look so cheery holding Mrs. Sneezebee's hand. The Snuppets welcome all of you to join the happy band. So let's all sing songs and play some games. Learn a thing or two. Make new friends and paint our names. That's the Snuppet thing to do. Come and catch the happiness here in Snuppet land.
Hello children, I'm Mrs. Sneezebee and these are all my Snuppets. G'day Snuppets.
Hello Mrs. Sneezebee.
I love our show because there's so much going on. Anyway, we're going to move on with the show.
Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to our show, will you come and play? Mrs. Sneezebee and her Snuppets say hello to us and all our puppets. Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to our show, will you come and play? Mrs. Sneezebee and her Snuppets say hello to us and all our puppets. I came from the dream time, from the dusty red salt plains. I am the ancient heart, the keeper of the flame. I stood upon the rocky shore, I watched the tall ships come. For 40,000 years I've been first Australia. We are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come. We share a dream, and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australia. I came upon a prison ship, bound down by iron chains. I cleared the land, endured the lash, and waited for the rain. I'm a settler, I'm a farmer's wife, on a dry and barren road. A convict and a free man, I became Australian. We are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come. We share a dream, and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australia. I am, you are, we are Australian. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Guess what time it is?
What time is it?
Story time. We like story time, don't we?
Yes, we do.
I'm going to read a little story from this book, and it's called It's Bedtime.
Oh.
And this is called Good Night, and it's by Katrina Germain. Good night, puzzle. Good night, chair. Good night, train set. Good night, bear. Good night, hammer. Good night, blocks. Good night, trousers. Good night, socks. Good night, bath time. Good night, duck. Good night, turtle. Good night, truck. Good night, fingers. Good night, toes. Good night, tummy. Good night, nose. Good night, moonbeams. Good night, tree. Good night, stars. And good night, me. I'm feeling very tired.
children. Today we're going to talk about a little ship called the Good Ship Sneezebee. And there's a song we're going to sing as well. Jimmy, are you excited about that? He's always happy about pirates. Yes, Mrs. Sneezebee. Now, who else is loving pirates? Good, that's good. Because we're going to sing a song. And can you sing our for us? That'd be a good one. Okay. That's it? Okay, let's get on with that song.
Yo-ho, Sneezebee, the happy pirate ship, where no one needs to scrub the decks, hoist the sails, paint the rails. So come on, all you Snuppets, and have a jolly trip.
There are naughty pirates, but we are not like that. There's nasty, horrid buccaneers who wear a pirate's hat. But we are jolly pirates, as nice can be. See the good ship Sneezebee, and we sing most happily.
Yo-ho, Sneezebee, the happy pirate ship, where no one needs to scrub the decks, hoist the sails, paint the rails. So come on, all you Snuppets, and have a jolly trip.
We sail through the Snuppet land, where everywhere we go, we sing and dance and make new friends, wherever the winds may blow.
Yummy. Yum? What have you got? I just had some really nice breakfast. Breakfast? Yeah. I don't like breakfast. But breakfast is very good for you. Is it? Yes. Do you know what it means? No. Well, break is when you're eating and fast is when you're not eating. Wow, I didn't know that. I don't like breakfast. Breakfast is very good for you. It gives you lots of energy for school. Oh, will it help my brain? Definitely. Oh, but I still don't eat breakfast and I get very tired. There are lots of different types of breakfast. Do you like toast? Yum. Toast is breakfast. Oh, I didn't know that. You can have toast, eggs, cereal, dairy, which is like milk and yogurt, and fruit. Fruit. Yum. I love fruit and yogurt. That's one of my favourite things. I didn't know I could have that for breakfast. My favourite is baked beans on toast. Yum. Yes. And did you know that some schools allow it in class? Oh, I'd like to eat food when I'm in class. Fruit. Do I have to eat a certain type of thing? Fruit is very good for you in class. Fruit? Yum. What about vegetables? Oh, vegetables are very good as well. Eating breakfast is very, very important. Did you know, my friend said that there was this one person who said to him that breakfast is so important to him that it's just like filling up a car going on a road trip. Oh, I think I'll have to start eating breakfast. Ah, no, it's so delicious. Can I have cereal? Is there any certain type of cereal I should eat? Can I have Cocoa Pops? Yes. Oh, I like them. I love them as well. All cereal is good. Any breakfast is good. Oh, so eating breakfast is an important start to your day. Like Mum and Dad filling up a car at the start of a really long road trip. Yes, definitely. So you're going to have breakfast from now on? I will start trying to eat breakfast every morning so I have a healthy brain to keep me going when I'm at school.
school.
Yes, it is definitely very good for your brain. I'll talk to you later.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.
Hi, Marion. Hi, Ross. What song are you going to sing?
Hi Jasmine, we're going to sing Colours of the World.
Wow.
Yay, let's do it.
Yes.
Do you know the colours of the world? There's pink, orange and yellow, brown and green and blue. They make the world of colours to share with me and you. Do you know the colours of the world? Do you know the colours of the world? There's red, purple, black and white, and these add to the colours of the world so bright, so let's find lots of others. Do you know the colours of the world? There's pink, orange and yellow, brown and green and blue. They make a world of colours to share with me and you. Now you know the colours of the world.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Yay.
Well, today, children, we're going to do another song called the Veggie Song. And Jimmy, do you like veggies?
Yes, Mrs. Sneezebee, I love veggies.
Really, Jimmy? Well, that's good because Mrs. Sneezebee likes veggies as well. So we're going to sing a song about that today. Yes? Do you want to get on with it, Jimmy?
Yay!
Things that grow are really good for me. What grows on trees?
Apples!
Peaches.
Pears!
What grows in the ground?
Pineapples! Potatoes!
Carrots.
Let's pick them again. Things that grow are really good for me. What grows on trees?
Bananas! Apricots!
Grapes!
Plums!
What grows in the ground?
Melons! Lettuce! Pumpkin!
Herbs.
What kinds of food now?
Hi Snuppets, hi Deb, hi Pete.
Hi, Sam.
This is Jasmine. Have you met Jasmine?
Oh no.
Jasmine, you're new. You
Yes.
look pretty.
Oh, I reckon.
thank you.
Oh.
I think I've seen you on the playground.
Oh, yeah.
Probably. That's where we're going to go now. Would you like to come and join
Yes.
us?
Oh yes, please.
Yeah, we're going to go and play.
Oh wow, what do you guys play on the playground?
Oh, I like the slippery dip, but there's always a lot of people on the slippery dip.
Yeah, so popular.
It is.
I go on the flying fox, but sometimes some people stand in my way when I'm hanging on and I'm flying down.
Yeah, that's not very nice sometimes. But it's okay, because we take turns at everything. And then we don't have any trouble at all.
Oh, that's good. And do you guys push each other on the swings as well?
We do. We
Always.
take turns. Yes. And there's this round thing that we run around and it
I
makes
love
us
that.
very
The
dizzy.
hooty-tooty. Oh, I love that.
Yes.
Come on, Jasmine, come with us. We're going to go on it. It really makes you really dizzy,
Yes.
doesn't it?
And we can walk around the playground as well for some exercise. And there's lots of parents there.
Oh, and will you guys come with us? I think we will.
I think
Yeah.
we will.
Yeah.
Sounds like fun.
And even have a little roller coaster.
Oh.
It's a lot of fun.
Yay!
Well, maybe we can push you on the swings and we can even push the roundabout thing you were talking
Yes.
about. Yeah.
Makes you dizzy.
Come on, Jasmine.
That'd be
Come on, the
great.
hooty-doodies.
Yes.
Yay,
Well,
thank you.
That's okay.
Alrighty, let's go to the playground, guys.
Yay! Let's go! Bye!
I want to go to the hooty-doody.
Well, we're going to do a song today, aren't we, Jimmy? Yes, we are. And it's called How Do You Feel? What a wonderful song. What do you think, Jimmy? Yay! Okay, let's do it. Okay. Well, today, children, we're going to sing a song, Happy You're Not, and we want you to join in. Okay, now Marion's going to start straight away and we'll join in.
Okay, let's do
yes?
Snuppets.
Aren't you excited? Yes,
If you're happy and you know it, say hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, say hooray!
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, then you really ought to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray! If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, then you really ought to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, give a smile. If you're happy and you know it, give a smile. If you're happy and you know it, then you really ought to show it. If you're happy and you know it, give a smile. Yippee!
Thank you, Marion. Wasn't that wonderful, Snuppets? We'll have to do some more singing another time. And children, we want you to join in, okay, next time, okay?
Let's go to the butcher and buy some meat. Hi, Wayne, how are you? We're here to get some meat today. We would like some 2 chaslets, please. And how many sausages shall we get?
About 15.
15, maybe 5, thank you. So that's the chaslets. Fancy meeting you there.
Yeah, I was looking for some meat for tea.
Oh really? What are you thinking?
Maybe some chicken.
Chicken? Is it chicken likes what? Really like chicken? Yeah.
We might do.
And that's it, thanks, Wayne.
There you go. Good man.
And can I please get some sausages? 5 sausages. And we might get some chaslets as well.
Okay, let's do it.
Thank you. Just 2, thank you. Hi Lily.
Hi, Jackie.
Fancy meeting you here today.
Yes, I'm shopping.
What are you going to buy from the butcher?
I'm going to buy some chicken.
Oh, chicken's really good for you, isn't it, Lily?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, good choice.
I'm counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I come, ready or not. Shh, I'm hiding too. I don't think she's going to find me behind this bench. What do you think? Shh! I can hear her.
Well, we're going to sing another song called the Achoo Song. And it's my favorite because I sneeze all the time. Achoo! Oh, and I should always cover my mouth, and I didn't do it. So when we sneeze, we should always put a hand over our mouth. Isn't that right? Yes. Jimmy, isn't that right? Yes, it is, Mrs. Sneezebee. Okay, let's sing it now, children.
Achoo! Achoo! The Snuppets have got a cold. Achoo! Achoo! Mrs. Sneezebee must be told.
She'll have to take the temperature, she'll have to keep them warm, she'll have to keep them safe and sound, away from germs and harm.
Achoo! Achoo! The Snuppets have caught a cold. Achoo! Achoo! Mrs. Sneezebee must be told.
Germs are very nasty, so Mrs. Sneezebee said, so cover up your mouth. Achoo! Don't let the coughing spread.
I'm Jackie, and this is Marnie. Hi, children. And Sally.
Hi, how are you guys?
Hi, I'm Marion. This is Dodo Blue. Hello.
And Sally's very special. She's a swimming instructor at State Swim.
I enjoy this job. I've been here for about 15 years now.
Wow.
Main one I teach at the moment is my seahorse class, which you hopefully see today. So I enjoy it.
Great. And so maybe if you just talk us through what the different ages are and what they do.
Yep. So we've got our first ones are our tadpoles, which are 6 months to 18 months. Water familiarisation, along with the next age group, which is also water babies, where parents get in the water, which is 18 months to 2.5 years. So again, water familiarisation, parents in the water, under the water, getting used to submerging. Next one is what we call seahorses.
Seahorses, that sounds fun.
Yeah, it is actually a very fun class. I enjoy my seahorses, and that's from 2.5 to about 4 years of age. So it can be a little bit skill based if they've got all their certificates. And yeah, that's a fun class. That's a really good class.
And so what sort of things do they do in that class?
They're all with floaties.
Oh, okay.
They do a segment of that class without their floaties, where you do one child at a time. They're getting used to swimming. So the purpose of the class, I guess, is for them to swim without their floaties for 10 metres. Yeah,
which and Marley's got a little question, haven't you, Marley? What if I'm 5 but I've never been in the water before? Which class shall I go in?
Oh, Marley, you would start off in what we call a penguins class. Okay, which is back down our shallow end, where you'd be able to touch the bottom of the pool.
Oh, that's good. She's a little bit scared of going in the bottom of the pool.
Lots of kids are scared of going in the pool. So we tend to sort of, we let them know that they can touch the bottom of the pool and they can jump and bounce, and the teachers are really good. They get them in the water, because if you don't get them in the water the first time, they possibly won't come back again. So you've got to persist and keep going.
Yeah. Great. And so after penguins?
After penguins, we have a class which is called seals, which is still a smallish class, lots of 4s. So they're again sort of doing torpedoes, what we call torpedoes, without their board, and start on some arm strokes once they can get to that position or that spot.
So will I learn backstroke in that class?
You would, but just with your board. Okay, no arms at that stage. The arms come in at starfish.
Starfish.
But which is the next level up from seals.
There's so many levels.
Yes, there is lots of levels.
Now Marley loves certificates or medals.
We do have certificates. If you can do a skill, Marley, then you can get a certificate.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
And when you go to the next level, we have a bell that we ring. So that they ring the bell, and tells everyone you're going to the next level, and you get a bigger certificate then.
Wow, that's
so they're very good, Marley. Right. All right.
And what about safety for children that go to swimming pools and not at State Swim? What should they know?
Okay, so that no running around the pool, because they're very slippery. At home, keep your gates closed. Always watch your children in the water. Okay, so they've always got to be supervised.
Great.
So, I guess a couple of them are the most important ones.
Excellent.
That's great.
Well, thank you. And just one more last question. I'm not sure where State Swim are located. Where are they located?
Okay, we've got a Mount Barker, a Seaford, Morfett Road, and here.
Right, Unley as well.
Brilliant. So Unley,
Cool. Excellent.
Okay.
Well, thank you for spending time.
That's okay. Anytime.
Yeah.
Thank you. See ya.
Today we're going to sing a song called Bound for South Australia. Who
Yeah,
likes
that's
that?
where we live.
Yeah, that can't be Even Jimmy likes that one as well. Okay, Marion, when you're ready, start that. Thank you.
In South Australia I was born.
Heave away, all the way.
South Australia round Cape Horn.
Round for South Australia. Heave away, you rolling pins. Heave away, all the way. Heave away, you'll hear me sing. Round for South Australia.
What Lincoln girls, they have no combs.
Heave away, all the way.
They do their hair with snapper combs.
Round for South Australia. Heave away, you rolling pins. Heave away, all the way. Heave away, you'll hear me sing. Round for South Australia. Round for South Australia.
It's time for all good Snuppets to say goodbye to you. We're sorry that we have to go. We hope you miss us too.
Goodbye.
Rachel.
Goodbye.
Holly.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
Foxy.
Goodbye.
Jimmy.
We had lots of fun. Goodbye.
Toby.
Goodbye.
Sally.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
Marley.
Goodbye.
Joseph.
We had lots of fun. And goodbye,
Bye, Mrs. Sneezebee.
Goodbye, children.
Well, I really enjoyed the show this time. What about you, Snuppets?
Jolly good show.
Well, we'll see you next time, okay? See you then.
come and catch the happiness here in Snuppet land. The sun is always shining and nasty things are banned. You always look so cheery holding Mrs. Sneezebee's hand. The Snuppets welcome all of you to join the happy band. So let's all sing songs